welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Janan and today I am testing another Loréal product. You guys know that I'm a huge fan of this brand and I really wanted to try the cushion foundation of them. I've had one of them already, but that's just like ages ago, so I bought a new one. This is the Glam Beige Cushion Healthy Glow Foundation in the lightest shade, I guess. And well, if you want to see what it looks like on my face, then just keep on watching. Alright, so this is what the package looks like of the cushion foundation. I've had one of these already in like this lilac or purplish design, and this one is pretty different because the one I had was like a BB or CC cream to put on your face. And this one is a Healthy Glow foundation, so I'm really curious about this one, and I'm super excited to see if this actually like covers my pimples and the redness all over my face, and I hope it does not sink into my pores on my nose. I just put on a primer already, so we will see what this baby does. This is the shade Light 20. I think this is the lightest shade L'Oreal came up with, so let's just open the package and see what it looks like. The package is like super cute, and this L'Oreal Cushion foundation comes with this cute like sponge as well, which is super handy, and a cute mirror as well. So I'm basically just dipping into like this pot right here, as you can see, and just see, whoa, I'm sorry, just see like what comes off. Okay, so it's super liquidy, as you can see. And oh gosh, I'm super excited. Oh, it looks super glowy, but I think it does not cover my pimples, so I need a concealer afterwards. Oh, and it's actually not that light. I thought it would be lighter. I need to get a tan, you guys. And it feels so good. And it smells okay as well. Oh my gosh, you guys, I haven't had like a L'Oreal foundation in so long. I love their primers and stuff, but I haven't really used their foundations lately. Super curious if this is going to stay on all day long. Like, the sponge is super sweet. I never used these earlier, but for like a testing or trying out first impression kind of video, I think this is necessary to use. And this is what the sponge looks like right now, and I love that you can stick your fingers in here. This is so cool. Goes on smooth, and I think I blended it in pretty nicely, so my nose and forehead is left. Then we're basically done, but I know that it did not cover my pimples, which is like okay, you know. I did not expect that because it says like glowy foundation, and I think I need like a matte one to cover these. But I think during the summertime this is amazing because it feels so lightweight on your actual skin. Oh gosh, you guys, I like that one. But my neck is just too light. I guess I need to wear like a turtleneck now. Maybe a little bit underneath my eyes now. And I think we are done here, girl. We are done. It's okay. It's a little like glowy, as you can see. I did not put on any highlighter, so I think it's totally fine for that. And now I basically just put this back in here, even though I don't want to ruin it, but let's just put this back into this like box and just close it, and that's the final result. I think I'm not going to set this with any like powder product because I simply want to test the foundation and see if it like stays on all day long. And I'm impressed, even though you can still see my pimples, right? But that's for that. Alright, you guys, so I totally can imagine myself wearing this foundation all summer long because I just love the texture of it, the feeling, and it applies like super easily. You don't need a brush or sponge or anything at all, and it's super easy for beginners or like pros. You can use it like on the road when you're like traveling. Oh my gosh, we can't travel this year. You can use it like at any time of the day, and I'm super impressed with it. So well, thank you so much for watching this video with me. If you did like it, give this video a huge thumbs up please, that would make me so happy. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't been subscribed to it already. Click that cute little bell as well to get notifications on whenever I post a new video, I guess. And I hope to see you soon. Goodbye! What was that even?